back, everybody. Just got to the boat launch in Delray, New Jersey at Swedes Lake. So let's see if this clear water can do me any justice so we can pull anything nice out today. So, plus I got this life water thing where you can drink water out of pretty much anywhere. So I'm gonna test it out and we're gonna find out if I die, which I hope I don't. So let's go. All right, guys. I'll tell you one thing, the iPilot is really cool, but I don't know if it's my battery box, the boat, or it's so much wattage. So far it's been a shitload of perch, which is honestly pretty cool. So, not a bad day of fishing so far, but I'm thirsty. So you guys suck. I have to drink this life water thing. So let's try this thing out, see if I die, and if I do, it's your fault. But this is really cool. You know, you buy one of these, some kid in Africa now has clean water to drink. So you buy something like this, you feel good about it, and we're gonna find out if it actually works, and I'm scared. So let's do this. God, am I hoping I don't regret this. I hate you guys. Holy wow. So definitely tasted like water. Definitely didn't taste like nasty lake water, which is crazy. So that's nuts. So afterwards you blow it out. So you don't mess up the filtering inside, and that's it. And that was actually pretty cool. So long story short about the life water is it definitely works. I don't want to say it tastes like Brita water, but you could definitely say it tasted just like tap water, which is pretty darn impressive. So, LIFESTRAW. I know I've been calling it life water this whole time, but who cares? So this is really cool. Get one of these. If you fish all the time, you more than likely are gonna forget to bring water, at least once. And pretty impressed. Pretty cool. Let's do some more fishing. Fish on. What we got? Nice bass. Okay, chill. Oh yeah. Yeah, buddy. That's a beaut. Look at that baby. I love it. Gotta love it. Off you go. Boom, boom. These things are killer, dude.